Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar.
Alright, let's get real for a second. I love fried food, but if you want that next level crunch, beer batter is where it's at. Why? It all comes down to science, and let's be honest, a little bit of magic. First off, beer is carbonated. All those tiny bubbles? They make your batter lighter and crispier than water ever could. When you fry it, the bubbles expand, creating a crunchy, airy shell. No heavy, greasy coating here, just pure golden crisp. Second, beer adds flavor. Think about it. Beer is full of malty, bready, sometimes even citrusy notes, depending on what you use. That subtle flavor boost makes your fried food taste amazing without overpowering the main event, whether it's fish, onion rings, or even chicken. And here's a pro tip. The alcohol in beer evaporates faster than water, so your batter cooks up quickly and doesn't get soggy. That means more crunch, less mush. So next time you're about to fry something up, reach for a cold one, for the batter, not just your glass. You're not just making food, you're leveling up the experience. Beer batter takes ordinary ingredients and makes them unforgettable. Trust me. Once you try beer batter, you won't look back. Happy cooking. Think beer batter is only for fancy restaurants. You can make it at home in minutes. Let's crack the secret together. All right, here's what you need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and of course, 1 frosty bottle of beer. Any light beer works. Lager or Pilsner is perfect. Pour the flour and salt into a big bowl, then slowly add the beer while whisking. You want the batter smooth but not too runny. Think pancake batter, don't overmix. A few lumps are totally fine. Dip your fish, onion rings, or even cheese into the batter. Fry in hot oil until golden and crispy. That's it. The beer makes the crust super light and crunchy, and you don't even taste the alcohol. It cooks right out. Try it tonight and watch your family go wild for your homemade beer batter.